undeveloped island right now. And that down there, I've been told, is Prospera, which is the Bitcoin city of the billionaires.
From Cameroon, and the people are from Cameroon. They were runaway slaves.
Just stopped at this little restaurant here in Punta Gorda, and I think they're going to set us up with some lunch now. Gracias. Hi, Dougie. Oh, is this where they're having their lunch? Yeah, I guess so. Everyone's getting out of there. Oh, we're going to see a little celebration here. Little local performers. Walking around Punta Gorda now at a little dance show from the Garifunas. Boy, it's hot today. I think it must be very humid. Catholic church right there. San Iglesia de Loyola, Punta Gorda. looks like churches in service. I'm not going to bother them. They might recruit me. Well, it's primitive as they claim this place to be. I'm surprised they got a little store here. That's Christmas stuff on sale, and all the other trappings of modern civilization and bottled water. That's all they drink on the island. The water is not potable otherwise. I'm sure that'll all change with the Bitcoin billionaires that are coming to the island. I think that's their own version of their flag right there, the Garifuna flag. Yellow, white, black. Black representing their heritage from Africa. Yellow being the sun. White just because it's neutral. Oh, this bar is pretty happening. Typical Garifuna. At the bakery. Music all pumped up. Hola, señor. ¿Cómo está? Seven children, LRL. So this is a very different part of Roatan for sure versus the touristy area. This is how the locals, at least in this section of the island, live. Very much dependent on fishing and tourism, I guess, to some degree. A little bit of tourism, not as much. Catholic Church, Iglesia Católica. Hola, ¿cómo está? Like I said, I don't want to get recruited. Oh boy, for a Catholic church, I didn't know they danced so much. Sounds more like a Baptist church. I get some decent island music down here playing. Very cool sounding. Lots of lobster here, it's very cheap. Little fruit and vegetable stand right there. Fresh juice. Oh, that's actually a nice little restaurant right there. Alright, we're going to take a tour now. Finished up the Punta Gorda. Had a cerveza there, and we're going to take watch some dancers, the Garifuna dancers. Now we're at Oak Ridges, and we're going to take a traditional boat ride through the mangrove grove swamps, and have lunch on the other side apparently. Everybody look. There's like an environmental catastrophe. Lots of old ships just sitting there rusting away. Got a Coast Guard boat right there, and there's the Black Pearl. Got a restaurant and grill up there. Well, that's pretty cool. Instead of a house or a car, you got a boat. Yeah, sure. Ocean Runner. Miss Sherwell. Mangrove swamp right there. Or the mangroves. Alright, that's very cool. Go inside the mangroves.
If you talk to the authorities about it, they'll be like, oh, maybe send someone later to clean it. They don't care. The authorities on the island is the people that less help us take care of this. They don't care about anything.
We have to start like community association.
Exactly.
Okay, today's Saturday, we have a barbecue, everybody come out and pick up some trash.
I guess so too. But I think it has a lot to do with how we were trained. If you go where we live, you wouldn't see this. But people on here, they have a different mentality.
Oh, look at this little critter crab. You don't know this, but you haven't.
Thank you. See, they're not, see? You can see the houses, see? They're not supposed to have cut this. And it makes me mad because, you know, seeing things like this. Well, they cut, oh, no permission. They start to build? Yeah, yes, cut. Oh, the permission they had to build, but they didn't have permission to cut. Yeah, they're not supposed to cut this. They cut, really, they cut a lot. Everyone, please be careful. See how thick? here are. Yes, the other side used to be just like that.
What kind of animals, fish or whatever do they have here?
Yeah, you have fish. Sometimes you have to be careful. When you come in here, you may see alligator. You
Wow.
may see crocodile. Yeah, sometimes. Or snakes.
Sharks?
Yeah. No. 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 I know. I know. Me too. So you have to be very careful. So, but if you see anything like that, then you have to report it to the animal or where they take care of animals. Yes, you have to report that. And sometimes you come.
We have to go to work.
Oh my God!
That's
Jesus, that is a lot of snow.
that was a week before we left. Yeah, no, that's not a lot of snow.
Gee,
That's
that looks like a Hallmark card. Wow, that's a lot.
But in a blizzard, you can't even drive because you can't see it's all.
And Jack Sparrow's there. Jack Sparrow's everywhere here.
Okay, we're here.
They got no Canadian flag here, but they got a small Quebec flag and it's upside down.